What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Outcast EXB RTR, the V2. Yeah, I ain't had this thing out in a minute. I ran this, last time I ran this car was the winter time, and I wanted to run it up here at Fern Hill Park just to rip it around. Nice sunny day. Yeah, she looked good, man. This thing is a monster, pure beast. No upgrades on there, just some lights. That's about it. But without any further ado, let's get into it.
Ready.
Yo, this thing is a beast. I haven't hit these she looks like a monster right there. And the thing is, I got this on 75%. I throw it on 100. But my main thing, I want to do some jumps. This thing is ripping, tire tripping. I gotta remember that cone right there. Oh. Getting some jumps real quick.
Oh!
Yo, grab some vines right there. Perfect. Really trying to make it hard to jump with this little bush, big bush in back of me. Perfect. Now this thing is a tank and a monster. Seeing this big old heavy machine come towards you is a little intimidating. A smidge intimidating. Yeah, no, I gotta jump off this real quick. overheated. I got it all geared up, so this is really not a bashing gear, so I'm gonna have to wait for this to cool off.
Yo, check this out.